Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about the topic which is available on screen. Hope it will benefit it for everyone. Before starting the video, if you did not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe it so that every notification will come to you. Let's start the video. Here we go. First we have to search Anaconda prompt. And double click to start it. After opening Anaconda prompt, here we can select the path where we want to save this file. I am using Python complete folder to store my all files, so I am opening this one here. After that, we have to write Jupyter Notebook in command prompt to open Notebook editor in browser, which is opening by default in Google Chrome. This is how Jupyter looks like. After reaching here, we have to go in new tab, and inside it many options are available. We will click on new folder so that we will save our work inside that folder. We will select new folder, and again we will come in new tab to create Python file, for which we have to select Python3. This is the file. We have to rename it. I am putting here first. As you can see, many options is available here. We have to select file. Inside it also many options is available. You can see this thing, just like open, make a copy, save as, rename. Here download as, we can download the file in the format like that, HTML, PDF, etc. Some extra thing is given here, code, markdown, heading, etc. We have to provide hash without space. If we are writing this, it will look like this. If we are providing extra space in between hash and word, it will look like this. You can see. Here some insert option is available. We can insert cell above the line and below the line. We are going to print something. To run this code, we have to select Ctrl plus Enter. This is a shortcut. Also, we are going to provide some shortcut to create cells. First shortcut is escape plus A. It will create cell above the line, and escape plus B, it will create cell below the line. We have included another example. It will print sum of two numbers. To print this value, we have to enter control plus enter. We have also another option to run this code. You can see in screen. If you are facing any problem to run this code, you can restart the kernel. Here, restart. Just click this and restart. Still, if you are facing any problem, you can restart kernel multiple times. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like button.